Alright, got the Rebel V2 going back up. This one's coming out on a China Hobby 4-cell 2700. One tick of flaps. Flaps up, gears up. I just flew this on a 5S battery based on the recommendation of a viewer, Cable Dog 1, and I gotta tell you, I really liked it. He's onto something there. Let's do a high-speed pass here in front of us on 4S, and I'll try to splice them together. Ooh, I was gonna go vertical, but that sun's in my eyes a little bit too much. Yeah, I'll try to get a splice in of 2 passes, 4S and then 5S, so that there's some amount of comparison there. Go around one more time, get a little lower, try to come in at the same basic angle as the 5S pass was, so that we can compare them. If I can get these mosquitoes to stay out of my eyeballs. Okay, coming in a little lower. Here's high speed. Alright, so maybe we can compare that. Here's high speed. Alright, so maybe we can compare that. Down low. Going vertical. Don't get me wrong, it flies well on a 4S, and the batteries are certainly affordable. So if you just wanted to dink around with it, the 4S is perfectly adequate. If you want to get about probably 15 or so miles an hour faster, it looked like, the 5S is the way to go. Had a lot of punch on it. I definitely will be ordering a couple more 5S packs for it. Can't say enough positive things about this jet. Freewing definitely got this in right. It is just a wonderful flyer. Now, I haven't flown very many EDFs. I probably haven't flown more than 9 or 10 different models of them. But of all the ones I've flown, this one here is the best flying one. Now I got about 4 flights with that Yak 130, and I got to tell you, I'm kind of digging on it too. But believe it or not, this one here on 5S is definitely faster than the Yak on 6S. Sorry, that sun's probably getting right up in it, the film. Alright, Rebel V2. If you don't have one of these, man, you gotta get one. It's a perfect beginner's jet. A lot of value for the money. I think they went up to about 190 or so. But that's a lot considering it's got flaps and retracts. Alright, thanks for watching.